Today we're making Chiikawa, our gentle and kind friend. Please welcome Cloud Action!
Start by pumping up a 260 white balloon. First, make a pinch twist. Then, make a 10 cm bubble, and then another pinch twist. Make another 10 cm bubble, and tie it back to the other side. This will be the head. Now make a smaller bubble, an 8 cm bubble, bring it to the other side, and then another 8 cm bubble, and bring it to the other side again. This will form its body. Now bring your balloon back to the top of the head. Squeeze out some air, then make a pinch twist. Squeeze out some air again, make another pinch twist. Squeeze out some more air, and tie it back to the other pinch twist. Now you've made two little ears. Now bring the balloon back to the bottom of the body, make two 4 cm bubbles, and that makes the legs. Then tie it back to the other pinch twist. Pull the legs together and twist them around. With the remaining bit of the balloon, pop it, wrap it around, and then secure it. And now the twisting part is done. Adjust all the parts to make sure your Chiikawa looks nice. Now let's grab some markers and start drawing. First, grab a black marker. Draw the eyebrows, some black eyes with two little highlights, draw a little nose, and then the mouth. Use a pink marker to add the blush too. Finally, add some more details with a black marker on the face. And now you're all done!
Well, I'm a balloon Chiikawa. Please comment down below what you want us to make next time. Thank you, bye-bye!